The floor depresses for, I don't know, like a few inches. So we just tore out this big chunk in our floor. Look at that. Do you see how strong that floorboard looks right there? I feel like I could almost knock it off with the rim of this light. And then look at this beam. It looks like it's missing a part. And then look over here. Oh my. And then the ground is like mud. It's like mud clumps. It looks like little ant piles of poo or something. Or worm piles. Ugh. Oh my goodness. So we've got a beam there on the ground. That's not a good sign. Got some rot. Some serious rot. Look at that board. Those are the floorboards, guys. And the joists, or the lack thereof. It's amazing we haven't like fallen through. It goes all the way to the edge of the house. I don't see any pipes or anything. I totally think I might just fill this with gravel and concrete, because these floorboards have got some serious issues. Now, on the other side, I wonder how the floor is over there compared to here. I mean, this probably had water because it's near the exterior. Spider webs. Is it any better on the other side? Down there? You know, that floor looks like it might be a little better. Yeah, this is definitely one of the worst parts. I'm surprised that this board that's attached to the concrete's in such good condition. You know? Yeah. They must have picked some sort of hardwood for the board there on the edge that the flooring sits on, because that's holding up pretty good.